Did you know there are plants that actually eat animals? Far from gentle greenery, these carnivorous plants have evolved to trap and digest insects, and even small creatures like frogs or mice. The famous Venus flytrap snaps shut in less than a second when its trigger hairs are touched. Pitcher plants lure prey with sweet nectar, then drown them in pools of digestive liquid. Even the sundew sparkles with sticky drops that act like natural flypaper. So, want more hidden earth mysteries? Subscribe now for the next deep-sea secret. Scientists say these plants develop their hunting skills in nutrient-poor soil, turning to animal meals to survive. It's a living reminder that nature always finds a way, sometimes in the most chilling form.